Happy Metumnyo to all the Yimkhiung.
Happy Metumnyo to all my Yimkhiung friends, wishing you all a joyful and blessed festival. Enjoy Metumnyo with your family and loved ones. Have a wonderful celebration. Happy Happy Metumnyo to all my Yimkhiung friends, wishing you all a joyful and blessed festival. Enjoy Metumnyo with your family and loved ones. Have a wonderful celebration. Happy